Hello web design lovers. I am Mahdi and I am with you with another HTML training session. In this session, we want to talk about lists. We want to see how we can have lists on web pages and use lists. And what are the types of lists? Continue the video with a smile. The types of lists we use, it says in the order list that its tag is OL. That is the first letter of order and the first letter of the list, which stands for order list. We specify order list with the OL tag. In contrast to order list, there is a type of list that we call unordered list, which is tag is UL. Is an abbreviation of the unordered list. The third type of list that exists in HTML we call the description list and its tag is DL, which stands for description list. In total, we have three types of lists in HTML: order list, unordered list, and description list. We will get to know the two cases in this session, and the third case will be taught in the next session. Well, let's go to the VS Code to see how these elements can be used. We are in session 13 and I created a folder called 13, which contains a file called lists.html. I also activated the live server features so that we can see the result of the codes we write. Let me take a quick review. The first line of tag types, which represent HTML version 5. The next line is HTML element, which is the root element, and all the elements are placed inside this element. Next, we have the head. Head, which contains the title tag, which specifies the title of our site, and meta tag, which tells the browser what encoding system to use for this HTML document. And we write all things in body tag that we display in our site. Well, let's have unordered list together first. How would we show them? With UL. As soon as I write U, it suggested that you want to use UL, and I said, what is UL? It stands for unordered list. I press enter, and now we are coming to the middle. I will define the items of our list with what tags? LI tags. Yes, that's right. First, let me explain what LI stands for. L stands for list and I stands for item. So we specify the items in our list with the LI tag and write the name of 4 fruits. The order does not matter to us. It means that the order of the items in the list is not important. And we write one LI tag, banana, and I created another LI and write apple in the middle of LI tag, and I created another item list and I write orange, and I created the other LI and I write strawberry. See, next to the item list, it displays a black small circle, which we call a bullet. This was an unordered list. Now let's write an ordered list, starting with OL, which means ordered list. Again, I use the LI tag to specify the items. The first is banana. The next is apple. The third is orange. And the last one is strawberry. Well, see the difference from the above. Here we have the unordered list. The icon next to it by default is in small, black and circle. We called bullet. But order lists are numbered automatically. See next to it written 1, 2, 3, 4. Order is important here. For example, we want to write the names of a student of a class based on grades. We didn't write them here 1, 2, 3, 4. It's numbered them by default because our list is ordered list. Well, we got none with these two lists and saw the difference. So, if we have an unordered list and the order is not important to us, we use the UL element. And for the items inside, we use the li tag. The open tag li and the closing tag li, and we write the desired item in the middle, like banana, apple, orange, and if we want to have an order list, we put the ol element, its open tag and its closing tag, and inside it as many items as desired. The open tag of li and closing tag of li, and the desired text, such as banana, apple. You can see that it's numbered for us. In this session, we will enter the W3 school site and browse the HTML list of the article. Here you will see the description of the list, and then you will see an example for the unordered list, where you will see the bullet symbol next to the items, and in this section the ordered list next to the items number have been displayed automatically. Also, you can see the explanation related to unordered list and also order list with examples. Guys, my suggestion for you is that for better understanding the content, read the example on this website along with use the example in this video and practice. Until the next session, bye bye.